Open App Store on your iPhone. Search the keyword BroadLink. You may find multiple apps for BroadLink products. eControl, Intelligent Home Center for EU and BroadLink. The RM4 Mini could only compatible with BroadLink app, so you need to download BroadLink app to configure the RM4 Mini. You can also find the same app, BroadLink, in Google Play for Android. Open BroadLink app. The first time you open BroadLink, the app may require some access authorization. BroadLink only asks corresponding access when it is needed. Tap Try Now to start. Select your region to ensure the app is properly connected to the appropriate server. You can also type the region to search the correct region of view. Take United States as an example. Make sure you have chosen the correct region. If the region is not correct, the app may connect to different cloud server and cause the configuration failure. After checking the area and downloading the language package, BroadLink will restart and show the login page. Tap Sign Up to start registering a new account. The privacy term states the BroadLink privacy policy. After checking the privacy terms, tap Continue to go on. Input your email address and tap Next to send a verification code. Find the verification code in your email, input the code and set your password. Then tap Done to finish the registration. Before you create a home in the BroadLink app, you need to set the home location. Unlike the account region, it is used to provide a better service based on your home location, such as a TV or set-top box provider. Tap Start to use to start the configuration. Tap Add Device to start adding RM4 Pro. Before you start to configure the RM4 Pro, you need to make sure some points. Make sure your phone is connected to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network before adding device. 5 GHz is not supported. The Wi-Fi password should contain no more than 32 characters and no special characters which are not available on standard keyboard layout. Power on the RM4 Pro. Make sure the blue LED flashes quickly, otherwise you need to reset the RM4 Pro. Tap Start Adding. The app will start to searching available devices automatically. Input the Wi-Fi SSID and password, then tap Connect to Wi-Fi to let the RM4 Pro connect to the Wi-Fi. The blue LED status will change from flashing quickly to slowly during the configuration, and turn off when the RM4 Pro added to the network successfully. If the configuration failed, you can also try the AP configuration by following the wizard to configure the RM4 Pro to the Wi-Fi. Tap Next, Add to a room. To continue the configuration, choose the room where the RM4 Pro is and set a name to save it and complete the configuration of RM4 Pro. Now you can tap Use Device Now to start adding your appliances to RM4 Pro. If you connect the RM4 Pro and power with the sensor accessory HTS2, you could be able to see the temperature and humidity readings directly from this page. No additional configuration or operation is required. Tap Add Appliances. To start adding IR appliances, choose which appliance you want to add to RM4 Mini. Take the air conditioner as an example. After viewing the notice before Add Air Conditioner, tap Add Appliance to continue. The app will list all RM4 compatible air conditioner brands. If you could not find the brand of your appliances in the list, you can tap Can't Find My Brand. Learn the remote right away to learn the buttons from the original remote. Find the brand in the list and choose it to continue the configuration. The app will provide 3 most compatible remote models for the brand you chose. 95% of appliances can be matched automatically by these models. Tap Test Option 1 to test the first model. Follow the wizard to test this model. Note that the IR signal may be easily blocked by obstacles. You need to make sure there is no obstacles like walls, doors, tables between the RM4 Mini and your IR appliances. If this model is not matched, tap Not Work to go back to the model settings to test next model. Keep testing until the model matches, and tap It Works Well to continue. Now the air conditioner has been added to the RM4 Mini successfully. You can tap Continue to set a room for the air conditioner. Then edit the name of the air conditioner to prevent confusion with other appliances. Now the air conditioner could be remote controlled by the app. You can find the added appliances and controls them directly on the home page. Tap the plus sign on the right top of the home page. Choose Add Scene to start create a scene. The second and third options are for the other BroadLink products, such as smart bulbs. To create a scene for the appliances added to RM4 Mini, you should choose the first option, General Scene. Set an icon for this new scene, and edit a scene name. Set the effective periods for this scene to make sure the scene won't be activated in the wrong time of a day. You can select multiple periods for this scene, or just use the default settings as all day. Then, you can start to add devices actions to this scene. For example, choose the air conditioner. Set the action as on, then set the air conditioner's temperature, mode and fan speed. Then tap OK to save it. You can see the first action of this scene has been created and shown on the Scene Edit page. Multiple actions could be created in one scene. All these actions will run when the scene is activated. You can also set every action's delay time if you want. Tap Save to save the scene and complete the creation. If your smartphone is an iPhone, once you created a scene in the BroadLink app, you can also add it to Siri so that you can voice control this scene by Siri. The scene will also be shown on the home page, and you can activate it by just one tap. Go to Alexa. Choose Skills and Games from the feature list. Tap the search button and search BroadLink skill. There are multiple skills for BroadLink products and apps. Since the RM4 Mini uses BroadLink app to configure and control, you should choose the same name skill, BroadLink. Tap Enable to use to link the BroadLink app to Alexa. Sign in the BroadLink account. Link the BroadLink app to Alexa skill. Once the account has been successfully linked, close this page. Alexa will enable the skill and go to Discover Devices page automatically. Tap Discover Devices to let Alexa discover available devices. Usually it will take some time. Tap Done to finish discovering devices. Now you can find the devices you have added in the BroadLink app in the Alexa devices list. You can also find the scenes you created in the BroadLink app as well. Now you can voice control these devices and scenes.